Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, yeah, you might be able to just tell there, we're going to have a go at fixing this mower. So yeah, I'll talk about it and what happened and what worst case and best case scenarios. But just before I do that, today's video is sponsored by AgriLine Tractor Parts and Accessories. They have a huge range of stuff for literally every make of tractor out there, modern, classic, vintage. They have a huge range of stuff. It's well worth checking out the website, giving them a call or dropping them an email to see do they have what you're looking for. But so as you may see there, yeah, that is bent. That whole back panel is bent down on the conditioner, and then we walk around this side and the whole front is bent down in onto the bed. What happened, you may ask, for those of you that have seen the picture I put up on as a post on YouTube. So what happened was, I was mowing away, everything was going grand. I was just after stopping, so I was after hitting a lump of bog oak in the field, and I made the front mower hop and checked everything was fine. I was just starting to get going again, and there was a brow in the field, and I had mowed every other bit of the brow, not a bit of bother. But this time when I hit the brow at the front mower, something happened and I made the mower hop, broke the latch, front mower come off, and forward it went. And when I went forward, it literally tried to somersault. I was tipping along, and next thing I could see the front mower going over it went. Pushed the whole front guards, the two sides, down in on itself, and because it went over the shaft, then bent the back guard down in on the conditioner. There's one conditioner tying gone there. I don't know what else has gone there. Some of them panels there are slightly bent, but not too bad. The shaft, surprisingly enough, the shaft, when we went to take off the tractor, take it off, the shaft slid apart itself, no issues at all, which is kind of a good sign. Though the button is bent, is gone in on the tractor end. It also broke the shear bolt, which that's what that's there for. That would have saved the mower to some extent. So I have it here. You can see the shear bolt broke, and then this button, the button for that, bent. It had a bit of a job to get that off, but the shaft come apart. So the shaft seems safe. Now there's, as it stands now, we have there's a best case scenario and the worst case scenario. Best case scenario is take off them panels, straighten them, everything else is straight, put them back on straight, and she's back in business. Worst case scenario, the conditioner shaft is bent, or the mower bed is bent, or something is bent, and that's it. Mower is only scrap. So first thing that I will be doing is I'll be taking off that back panel, that middle panel there that has bent around the conditioner shaft. And when I get that off, I will be able to give the shaft a spin. I'll be able to spin it, and I'll sit down and just watch it turn around by hand, and I should get a relatively good idea. Firstly, that it spins, and secondly, if it's bent. So if it's bent, you should see, you know, the disturbance, or whatever you want to call it, the bend in the shaft. So that's the first thing I have to do. Take that off, straighten it, and then the second thing will be take off the front and straighten them. And also, not good. And also, what did go wrong, then the latch, the spring on the latch broke, and that's what let it come out. But anyways, look, I'll stop ranting and raving, and we'll start taking off this panel. No, that's not looking too bad now at that. So we're just on the final legs of putting it back together. We've just cut a track in there, shaping that up so we can pull this up and hopefully kind of clean that up, put that back in, re-weld that because that had all cracked there from the job. Put in back in the panels, see does it all fit in nice and neatly. It's actually straightened up very well, to be perfectly honest. Now from afar I don't know would you notice much of a difference in it, but yeah, it's actually not turned out not too bad, but we're nearly there now. It's just a matter of piecing it all back together. What are you looking for? Prize. Where's the pry bar? In there, slowly but surely, and eventually too we're getting it done. No.
Start that tractor.
Yeah.
Line them in with that. Just line it up right. You want to come up a bit with that?
Putting the bolts into that should pull it together, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Should pull it up.
Get a long bolt. That side is off, so just straight this down a bit. That side is hanging down. That's only changed. We'll pull it up to it.
No, hold on now, you'll be pulling it back now for a minute. You get the inside bolts in first. She's just not under the yoke, the level. The only just not under it. Oh.
Front wheel or back wheel 35 volts. The other ones without that.
One's over.
What's that?
Yeah, one's over there. In the yoke, big dollar.
Aye.
Yeah, but they're there and all. They're there.
Over there?
Yes.
In the box.
As in it wants to be bent up.
No, just don't take it. Give it an all.
So we are now ready to rock and roll once again. From a distance you wouldn't really tell anything had happened. It's straightened up very well, so when you get close to it you kind of see all that nervousness in it. But anyways, we're ready to go. It has rained. I had me tea there, but the farmer wants to work away because tomorrow's to be good, but the next day's to be bad. So yeah, we're ready to go. Pump a tire, think of enough diesel, spin the front mower, see that it's all right, but everything seems fine. We've spun up behind, but yeah. So that's it. We'll pay on out. Do a tiny bit with at the end of this video with the camera just working, and my brother's gonna fly the drone as well. But we'll leave it at that for this video, which yeah, I don't know what it's like in lengthwise or that, but we got it fixed eventually. Took a while just to get fixed there at the end. Maybe it might have been a bit higgledy-piggledy the video towards the end, just fixing bending back panels, and that's just quite hard just to get it done. Just the pressure was on to try and get it done because this man wanted to mow, and we wanted to get the 2 mowers going just to get it done and dusted, not spend all night at it. But anyways, that is it for me. Big thank you to the sponsors for this video: Agriline Tractor Parts and Accessories for all your tractor parts and bits and bobs you need. Link in the description down below to their website. You can look them up there. Also, if you can't find what you're looking for, well, we're giving them a ring or hitting them in the emails, and they'll look after you if they can at all. But anyways, that was it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the very end for a bit of drone footage. That is it for me. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. Description, lots of stuff in it. Check it out. Good luck.
At night was born to find mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be merciless. Remember me, for my name is Perseus. 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 I don't want the throne that my father has, fighting wicked beasts while they move so fast. You could be the sword, the shield,